let's not bother him, huh?
Let's go.
Okay. Somebody want to call him or something? We're gonna be fucking late.
No.
Okay.
What's he doing?
Scott. What do you... Jesus, man, you look like shit.
Hey, thanks. I feel like shit.
Not a compliment.
Anyway, look, I'm sorry, but I tried to call you guys, but I dropped my phone in the toilet, and then I threw up on it. I can't make it.
Man.
That's fantastic.
All right, okay. Fuck. We'll just have to do one short. Where's Kent?
Oh my god! Really?
Kent.
Oh my god, he's puking.
Oh my gosh.
you get
Is he
that?
throwing up on your car?
Every last drop.
Oh, I love you,
Swear to
sweet
God.
baby-haired motherfucker. I could kiss you.
No, we just finished cleaning up from last time. Do not excite him.
Well, looks like I'm riding with you guys.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
hell
whoa. Why
no.
can't you take his car?
Scott, they want me to take your car. Well, come on, I can drive. All right, you know what? Fine, you fucking dick.
All right, fine.
Hey, don't push so hard. It's not gonna fit. It's obviously not gonna fit.
It's gonna fit. I just gotta
Stop
give
it.
it a little push a little bit harder. You know?
You know what? No, you're gonna break the stuff that's back there.
Did you rehearse this conversation?
There.
Hot.
Boom. I did it.
Okay. Andy rehearsed the ending.
Okay, wow.
Good morning,
Kent,
ladies and gentlemen. Hey,
was it good for you?
Can we go, please?
Yeah.